Have you ever dreamed of owning your own restaurant? The idea of diving into the restaurant industry can be alluring, but have you ever stopped to ask yourself, why do I want to open a restaurant?
Perhaps you have a passion for cooking, a flair for kitchen gadgets, and your family and friends rave about your culinary creations. It's natural to think that opening a restaurant would be a wonderful idea, given all the love you've received for your cooking.
However, having the best fried chicken, barbecue, pizza, or lobster rolls doesn't automatically translate to restaurant success. Before you take that freezing cold plunge into restaurant ownership, it's essential to understand your true motivations.
Let's be honest. Many people venture into the restaurant business for the wrong reasons. They believe it'll be fun and easy, but truthfully, it's far from easy. In today's competitive landscape, succeeding in the restaurant industry requires expertise and dedication.
Restaurants often operate on razor-thin profit margins, ranging from 0 to 15%, with most falling between 3 to 5%. With the rising minimum wage, these percentages could be even smaller.
To maintain higher profit margins, owners, chefs, or managing partners may need to accept a very modest salary, if any. Additionally, during the initial years, most profits will go towards paying back the initial investment.
If you believe that merely opening a restaurant will attract customers, think again. This mindset won't lead you to success. There are exceptions, but we've identified 6 primary reasons why people want to open a restaurant. Number 1, you're a talented cook who's been approached by someone interested in partnering up with you to open a restaurant. Number 2, you stumble upon, buy, or inherit an exceptional location, offering a golden opportunity. Number 3, you crave the freedom of being your own boss. Number 4, you're passionate about food and view a restaurant as a medium for artistic expression. Number 5, you have a unique and captivating restaurant concept in mind. Number 6, you've identified a gap in the market and believe you can fill it.
Now ask yourself which of these reasons best describe your motivation for opening a restaurant. Make sure to like, share, follow, and subscribe to stay tuned for our next video, where we delve deeper into these 6 scenarios and shed light on why they might not be the most valid reasons for starting a restaurant.
We're not exaggerating when we say that restaurants are incredibly challenging ventures. If you're going to take this path, you better know what you're in for and what you're doing.
As part of our commitment to continuous education, we highly recommend watching the documentary Spinning Plates. It weaves together 3 extraordinary restaurant stories and the people behind them, providing valuable insights for aspiring restaurant owners like you.
You can find Spinning Plates for free on Tubi, or you can check it out on Amazon using the link in the comments or show notes. The stories in this documentary are truly compelling and well worth the 90 minutes it takes to watch.
Restaurant owners are a unique breed. We definitely have not chosen the easiest road to success, but at the end of the day, it's all about serving others. Remember, even if you believe you have a valid reason for opening a restaurant, if you lack the necessary knowledge and skills, my advice remains the same: never open a restaurant. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon. Have an awesome day.